Hey y'all, and welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina, and Miss Callie Cat was trying to figure out how to get out of my lap, and she rocked my camera. I'm sorry about that, y'all. So I've been looking for some wider belts. Everything is thin now, but I still kind of like the wider belts. I don't know if they're in or not, but you know me, I'm gonna wear what I want to wear. So I did go on to Walmart and get, would you stop shaking my camera, Missy? I did go on to Walmart and get 4 wide belts. I ordered them online. I do need to look up so I can tell you what they cost. Hang on. Y'all, I ordered these belts on March 31st. I have 4 of them. I thought that was all I ordered, but as I went back on there, I actually had a 5th belt that has not shown up. So it is delayed until it doesn't even say when it's gonna get here. So let's look at the belts that I actually did get in. Okay, this is the Beltiscool women's 3-inch wide high waist fashion stretch belt. It was $9.99, and if I could ever get it straightened out, I'll show it to you. So that was what it would look like on. It does have this kind of velvety, felty type feeling stuff there, and it is the stretchy kind of belt. So that's one of them. The second one, which is actually the last one that I actually received, this is the Bescita ladies wide belt, women's wide elastic belt buckle waist dress stretch. It was $7.39. I just thought this would be cute for a little dressier of an outfit. You know, if I had a solid like dress or something like that, if I can even keep it buckled. When it's laying flat, it stays buckled. Then you just have this little gold detail. Not bad for $7. All right, this is the eVogues Apparel plus size vintage faux leather wide elastic belt in red. And of course, you know, you'd buckle those. But it does have this cute little cutout detail, the elastic in the back. I paid $16.99 for this one. And then I'm wearing the last belt, so I'm gonna tell you about it and I'll take it off and show it to you. Worallymy is what that says. Women's wide belt, fashion elastic stretch buckle, waistband dress, vintage slim, cinch hollow out decor, $9.59. So this one I think is super cute. I've got the shakies today, forgive me. But isn't that cute? I mean, it's super vintage. It's super, you know, the filigree cutting out look. I thought it was cute with this flowy kimono cardi kind of thing I had on. So I will add that last belt to a short or something if it ever does come in. It is always style for you. New women's fashion belt, hip, high waist, stretch wide, black buckle, one size for $12.99. Let me see if I can get a picture pulled up for you. That's what that belt will look like if it ever comes in. Nothing special. I don't even know if I'll keep it. I just wanted some options, y'all. I don't have many belts, so I just wanted some options. All right, y'all, I'm just gonna do a quick throw on of these belts so you can tell me if you like them or not. I think I did good with the Walmart belt haul. This one is a little on the tight side, but I'd probably wear it if you know, it does make my waist look a little short over a dress or something. I actually am wearing them today, this one, but I'm wearing the shirt tucked in and then I'm putting it over the top of these pants. So what do you think of this? Let me show you the next one, if I can get this one undone. I tried to just grab a variety. Oh, y'all, this one is really gonna collect the cat fur. Hang on. This is the second one I got. It's black. It does have a little velvety here that does collect the cat fur. Like I said, I'd probably be wearing it either up here with a dress, or I would put it down here on my pants. I don't even know what the style is for belts like this now. So let's go to the next one. I did already wear. I wore it over my floral dress on Easter. I don't think anybody noticed. I just wanted to cinch it in a little bit. What do you think? I think they're kind of cute down there. I haven't actually put any of them on my hips. I tend to put them up here on my waist. What do y'all think? All right, let me show you the last one real fast. I thought this one would be a little more dressy. Oh, they look so tiny, but they are stretchy, so they'll fit. I just thought it would give something a little more shine. So, like I said, if I wanted to put it down here, I have a shiny belt. Or up here at my waist with a dress, skirt, shift dress or something. All right, let me know what you think of the belts. I'll see you in a second. That was my Walmart belt haul. Y'all, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please go down there and press the like button. Comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know which ones you would have got or not got or already have. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Share with your friends. Fill in that notification bell so it'll tell you when I put out a video. Y'all, I really appreciate y'all so very much, and so does Miss Callie Cat. Y'all, have a wonderful day and God bless.